Hello everybody, this is my oral presentation English Level 2. This is me, Diana Catalina Avendaño. I am 30 years old. I am from Medellin. I live with my husband. I like electronic music. I like watch two movies. I am a student of the UNAD University. This is my trip experience in Santa Marta. My travel experience was in the city of Santa Marta with my husband. We stayed 4 days in the area known as the Rodadero. The first day, we walked along to the beach until sunset. The next day, we went shopping in a craft market where there were products at a great price. The other days, we enjoyed the food. Fish is the most traditional that in there in terms of gastronomy. The water is quite hot, but there is also breeze. The landscape is very beautiful. The sea is calm, and the people from all over go to the rest and have a bit of tranquility. What is a unique experience? Tips or recommendation? It is essential that people use sunscreen to protect from the sun. It is important that people use clothes, warm water. It is recommended that people wear an umbrella to cover to the sun. Get advice related to what people shouldn't do in a place. The people shouldn't throw garbage on the beach. The people shouldn't swim at night hours. Give advice related to what people should do in that place. The people should can swim with lifeguard supervision. Thank you everybody. Bye bye.